Hello, in this video we're going to fix the issues with the touchscreen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So if you're struggling with the touchscreen after installing the screen protector, and this is video for you, and I'll show you how to fix it. It's really simple. So first, open up the settings, and here scroll down to display. And now go down until you see the touch sensitivity and enable it, and that should take care of your screen protector problems. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.